So here we have Frank de la Roche, who's well known in the county and in Wapoos as one of the top sculptors in the country. And Frank, I'd love you to explain what you're doing with some of your latest works.
Okay, well, basically I'm a stone carver, a stone sculptor, and I love the tactile experience of stone. I love the fact that I touch and change. Mm-hmm. And but there's also the fun thing about how the object can occupy space and interact with space. So I've just recently been working with wire and seeing how light passes through it and creates another dimension beyond the piece itself. For example, this here, this profile, wire face. The interesting thing about this is not so much what I've done, but what it does in its background on the wall behind it. I can move it and all of a sudden we'll get like that hollow look to the side of the face.
Fabulous. Which
is kind of really interesting. Yeah, and we're actually seeing the reverse image of this. We're not seeing the front, we're actually seeing the back of it, which is really kind of fun. But there's also other things that I've been doing, and that's like creating sculptures that move and create shadow on a wall behind them. Like if you were to look outside, you would see a bunch of very linear posts sticking out of the ground. Well, in one instance, I took those posts and suspended two equilateral triangles in the middle of them. And at night, when a light hits them, those equilateral triangles create the Star of David on a wall behind it.
Wow.
Which is something deeper than just the triangles and the posts. So I've had lots of fun doing stuff that has a meaning in its environment that takes it beyond the piece itself.